I did a project a little while ago that was this little vial holder. Simply a piece of leather. In this case it was a leather coaster that somebody had given me a whole stack of them. I just cut it to size. Then I used black elastic to go around each vial. So I just laid them on there, cut slots behind them, and you can see here are the you're actually looking at the 1/4 inch elastic that's coming through those little slots, glued down at the end, so nothing real tricky. I have some tie tack backs that I just stuck through from the front, and I hook them on there so I can put them on a shirt, a jacket. I can add them to any piece I want. When I built this, I really didn't have a costume in mind for it, so I filled it with whatever stuff I had in the front yard. So I've got some rosemary leaves here, I have some of the peppercorns from my pepper tree, and then I just have a little vial of dirt. Well, now I've got something I actually want to use this for. I'm going to convert it to work on my medic outfit. So to do that, I could dump out these vials, but what I'd really like is an old-timey vial looking more like this. Now the contrast isn't going to be probably as great on here, but this is a detail piece I want people to see really up close. So not only am I going to swap these out, I have some reproduction old-fashioned labels that I'm going to put on this as well. So let me take this apart and show you how this works. So taking these out is very easy, elastic stretchy. I'm just literally pulling them through. I have to struggle a little with this, but that's a good thing. I won't lose them then during the day. And the new vials go in pretty much the same way. Come in from the bottom. And I just need to make sure that I hook the top one, which is a little smaller, into this little recess, and that should lock them in place. I'd like the bands to sit here and look nice and even like that. Then these great little stickers that I have, they are basically patent medicine stickers, so I'm just going to look at some that will read well. Here's one that just says toxic in French. That's always lovely. So I'll put that one right there. And I can put some others in here. I'm not even going to fill these. Since they're amber already, I'm not going to get any benefit from putting any liquid in these other than just weight. And I'm going to be carrying these all day long. It doesn't seem like much, but believe me, by the end of the day, anything can get kind of heavy, so I'm going to probably leave these empty. Oh, arsenic, that's always a nice label. I'm sure there are legitimate uses for medical arsenic in very small doses. If not, these are the things that when people go, why arsenic? Oh, you make up stories as you're going along. Well, I was captured by the enemy and they forced me to take care of their people, and so I was slowly dosing them with small amounts of poison, and you go on and on. When people ask me open-ended questions like that, it gets kind of ugly. There's one with a little red cross on it, so we'll add that to the stuff that I have on my medic piece. So that quick, there I've got myself now a nice little piece. This will go up over a pocket, pop in place, and should give me hopefully a little bit more of the medic look that I'm going for. So keep watching. I will hopefully put in a little summary of the entire outfit put together, but based on what I'm thinking, I probably still have 3 or 4 more projects to work on before I actually put it together. So keep watching and we'll post that soon.